Today, I'm going to tell you how to knead the wheat dough for soft roti. For this, we've taken freshly ground atta. This is generally a better choice because the commercially available atta generally tends to have some maida as well. So to this freshly ground atta, we add some salt and use a whisk to completely mix this atta and the salt. Parallelly, we take some hot water. To this hot water, we mix some oil, cooking oil. We must ensure that the water and the cooking oil must be mixed thoroughly. And while kneading the atta, we make use of this oil water mixture. Do not add excess water to the atta. Keep adding it and mixing it then and there so that you know the appropriate amounts of water that is required for kneading this atta. So as you can see here, I'm kind of mixing it thoroughly as and when I'm adding little bit of water. And now we've made complete use of the water that we've taken. Now I'm going to knead it thoroughly. We can use some more water in case there is a necessity and the atta still seems to be a little hard. But here you can see that it is nice and soft and it's kneading thoroughly. Atta has now become completely non-sticky. And now I'm able to feel that the dough is very smooth and soft. We now smear our hands with some oil and apply it thoroughly over the kneaded atta. We will then allow this atta to rest by closing it with a lid for about 15 minutes.